In this video, I will show you how to fix the call failed issue on your iPhone in 2025. To get started, open up the Call app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Call app, navigate to the keypad section. Now, type in *#31# and then press dial. After dialing this number, wait about 5 seconds. Now it's time to restart your iPhone to see if this resolves the problem. To restart your device, simply press and hold either volume button along with the side button until you see the slider appear. Slide it to power off your device. Once it's powered down completely, turn it back on and check whether you've resolved the call failed issue. If restarting didn't fix it, don't worry, there's another method we can try: resetting all settings on your iPhone. Open up the Settings app and tap on General. Scroll down until you reach Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Remember, this won't delete any personal data but will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper preferences. If resetting settings didn't solve the issue either, let's take a look at another potential culprit: the SIM card itself. Start by carefully removing it from your phone. Using a microfiber cloth or something soft and clean, wipe both sides of the SIM card along with its tray. Dust or debris could be causing connectivity issues. Once cleaned, reinsert the SIM card back into its tray securely and place it back into your iPhone. With everything set up again, give it one last test by making a call. If these steps were successful, you should now be able to make calls without encountering that frustrating call failed message. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.